Welcome to Bataan Combined Cycle Power Plant. Bataan Combined Cycle Power Plant, or BCCPP, is operated by PanAsia Energy Incorporated, a subsidiary of Millennium Energy Incorporated. We believe that ensuring the health, safety, and security of the company officers and employees, as well as every other person within the premises of BCCPP, is essential to the company's success. Here at BCCPP, we take pride in making your health, safety, and security our utmost priority. This is why all visitors must undergo a health, safety, and security orientation before deployment to your respective designated work areas within the BCCPP complex. Upon entering BCCPP premises, proceed to the main gate for documentation purposes. Deposit firearms or deadly weapons to the guard on duty. These are not allowed inside the plant premises. Wear proper identification at all times, whether it be your visitor's pass or otherwise. Please observe the proper dress code. Do not wear slippers, sando, or shorts. For visitors, the PPE requirement is simpler: helmet and hearing protector as needed. The BCCPP is a hard hat area. Wear safety hats at all times, except while along the main roads or within the block offices, or when you are walking directly between the administration building and the workshop building via designated routes. All around you, you will find postings, warnings, and other safety information. Please take the time to read and follow them carefully. Stay within your designated work area as specified in the work permit. Loitering is absolutely prohibited. Safety barriers are in place to ensure your protection. Do not remove safety guardrails without permission from the plant's authorized representative. Follow the demarcation lines or safety pathways that you see. In accordance with Security Standard Operating Procedures, all vehicles entering or leaving the plant premises are required to undergo inspection. Observe the speed limit within the BCCPP complex. Check official signs that indicate a maximum speed limit in kilometers per hour or kph. You are not allowed to drive beyond the maximum speed limit or at an unreasonable speed which may cause an obstruction to traffic within the plant premises. Look out for yield or give way signs. If you are the driver of a vehicle approaching a yield or give way sign, you must slow down to a reasonable speed or stop completely if necessary. Park your vehicle at the car park or at designated parking spaces along the street. Make sure that your vehicle does not cause any obstruction of traffic nor block any fire hydrant, plant equipment, or any other area designated by the security office. Remember to turn off the engine of your vehicle at the parking area. Drivers must stay at the designated waiting area. The BCCPP plant has been declared a no-smoking zone. Smoking is prohibited in any area of the BCCPP premises. Do not remove or tamper with fire equipment such as fire hoses and extinguishers. Keep the plant premises clean and orderly at all times. Dispose of trash properly. Do not vandalize or destroy company property. Use only designated restrooms and portalettes. Do not cut plants or pick flowers and fruits without prior explicit permission. Pets and animals are not allowed inside the plant premises. Observe good behavior inside BCCPP complex, most especially inside the plant equipment areas. Avoid fighting, horseplay, and boisterous behavior. Do not take photographs unless you have prior explicit permission and for reporting purposes only. And the company reserves the right to confiscate or delete unauthorized photographs taken within the plant premises. In case of emergencies, we have these procedures in place. First, the emergency will be announced through the public address system. In case of an earthquake, practice the duck, cover, and hold technique. Exit the building or your work location in an orderly manner. Proceed to your designated assembly point or muster point. For Block A, muster point is at parking lot north side of workshop building. For Block B, muster point is at parking lot west of GT7. In case of fire, exit maps and signs are placed in all premises. In case of fire, exit orderly and calmly. Visitors are required to report any incident to the plant's safety officer. In the event of an emergency that requires immediate aid, look for the nearest phone and dial 222. We also have a clinic with medical professionals on standby. When joining a plant tour, please always stay within the group. Do not go to areas which are not part of the said tour. Entry in any work area or designated hazardous area is strictly prohibited, unless with prior approval from the company's approved representative. In case you are left behind, approach the nearest security guard or employee for assistance, or look for the nearest phone and dial 222. Do not touch any equipment or remove any protective covering. Do not manipulate or tinker with any control button, switch, or dial. Do not open any control panel or cubicle. Always request the operator or tour guide for assistance. Do not remove any safety tag. You have just completed the training on health, safety, and security protocols for visitors. We hope you keep in mind the guidelines we discussed today so you can go about your work worry-free and return safely to your loved ones at the end of the day.